Good morning. I'm doing my hair and getting ready. And I've also got a pack because we're going to New York tomorrow. I've been growing up my hair now for about a year and a half, and this is the longest that I've ever had it. My goal really is to have it like down to here. I just think that would be so fun. I mean, I want to like be able to really put it up into a ponytail. But it's at such an awkward length that I don't know what to do with it. And then every time I figure out a good style that I think looks cute, it gets longer and I don't know how to style it. That's gonna have to do. Let's pack for New York. First of all, what am I gonna wear? This is a Queen of Hearts dress made by Diana DeNoble, aka Starburst Corsetry. It's absolutely sick. I'm gonna bring this. Then this is a bag of all my undergarments, like for drag. So I have my pads and corset and tights, and I keep them in like this little laundry bag. I'm gonna bring this wig. And the old reliables. I also believe in bringing a backup outfit just in case there's a wardrobe malfunction or you just need to have a cute little walking around outfit. So this is just a cute little sequin dress. Here are all of my earrings and rings and jewelry. I'm gonna pack my makeup in this, but I have to do it later because I have to wash my brushes first. I just realized they're all so dirty. Oh, I need a break. Makeup here, another little bag of like hairspray, brushes, wig caps, bobby pins, and just other miscellaneous stuff that I need for drag. All right, I think that's everything. We're here at the airport, embarrassingly early. I'm the type of person that likes to be at the airport like 3-4 hours in advance. I'm not doing anything at home anyway, other than sitting and looking at my watch anxiously. So I feel like, why not just sit anxiously at the airport? Hello from New York. We've just landed and we're putting our stuff down. That's Ian putting my dress in the closet that I'm gonna wear tomorrow. And we're gonna go out and get a bite to eat. It is 2:22. We have to be here for dinner at 5, but we wanna go and try to get tickets to see Chicago on Broadway tonight. It's actually a musical I've already seen before and I absolutely fell in love. And Erica Jane's in it now and it's gonna be her last night. So we're gonna go try to see if we can get tickets. Look at the view outside the window. How cute. Very that. Hi. Hey, that's what we do. Yes. It's good from like far off. Hi. Hello. Hi, we want to see Chicago tonight.
How many?
2.
Comes out to 220 if you want the best, and if you want cheaper, 140.
I'll do the cheapest one.
Alrighty. Alright, you got 2 tickets to Chicago at 7, and your receipt in the back. Have a good one.
Thank you. And all that jazz. You guys, the people at the Simons Foundation are so nice. Every time I see them, I'm just like, when will you hire me to work with you?
Oh.
I applied for their winter internship program, did not get an interview.
Denied.
So basically what the Simons Foundation is, it's a non-profit started by this billionaire mathematician. And basically the whole purpose of it is to increase public engagement in mathematics. So I love working with them. And everybody there at the dinner was just so friendly. And then somebody from Spencer, Indiana. Don't go. Okay. Now it's the white man. That white man. And I
She looks like you when you're getting out of drag.
Can we take a little? Let's do it. Love.
Thank you so much.
Thank you both so much.
Play your
Thanks for
music all
coming
the
out.
time. Oh my
Keep
god.
playing.
Good morning. I had such a good night last night. Really enjoyed Chicago. And then after the show, we just went back to our hotel, got some Taco Bell and ate it in our room and watched National Treasure on the TV. Now I'm headed to my math conference.
Adults and distributed a survey to 1,000 adults across the U.S. And so what I'm going to share with you now are the findings from that study.
I'm headed back to the hotel now. I had to leave a little bit early so that I can go back and get into drag. I also want to edit my talk. I've given this talk probably a dozen times now, but the audiences are always different, right? Because sometimes I'm chatting with kids, sometimes I'm talking to mathematicians, and sometimes teachers. So I like to tailor the presentation to the audience. I'm gonna get a bite to eat as well. You don't know the full context. And then they did this too, didn't they?
Yeah.
I wanted to be a scientist or a mathematician, but I felt like my vision for my future clashed with the person that I felt I was inside, right? Because scientists wear lab coats and they wear a suit and a tie. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
It's for Kyne. Yeah.
Your name?
Kyne.
मुझे भी 10 से 15 लाख और चाहिए लगने से वो भी मुझे इतनी उम्र दे देगा मैं बच्चों की खुशी दे देगा थैंक यू वेरी मच
Thank you.
have a good day पीछे
Thank you.
please ma'am give me star
All right.
thank you
Promise. Just give me a sec.
you are looking beautiful gorgeous
Thank you. Hi everyone. My name is Kyne. My pronouns are she, her, he, him, they, them. You can call me whatever you want. And I'm a drag queen from Canada, as you heard. And I also make videos on social media, on TikTok and Instagram, about my favorite subject in the world, which is math. So I want to share a little bit about my story and how I became this math teaching drag queen. So I was born in the Philippines, and we're done our talk. Now I've got to get back to the hotel. Yeah, I came from Canada. It's way colder up there. This feels like a tropical holiday here compared to Toronto.
Toronto. I have been there.
Have you?
Beautiful city.
Yeah. You know, a lot of movies that are set in New York film in Toronto. Did you know that?
No.
Yeah. I always get so nervous before my talks, even though I've given that talk like so many times. I don't know, I guess it's just a little bit of stage fright. Hey, of course. But the talk went really well. So now I'm headed to dinner. I decided to just stay in drag. I changed into this actually, so I'm glad I brought this.
Because we want to spark each and every person's celebrity. Okay, and I give everyone one and I teach them how to flex it. Okay, so that's our logo. Super cool. Okay, but wait, there's more. Great. But wait, there's more.
I love it. So good.
These are 5 steps ready drop.
Yeah.
Which the vertices cover all the it's 20 vertices.
Yeah.
And you can do that in 2 different ways. One that swirls this way and one that swirls the other.
Yeah.
And so when people from Europe complain about going way to America, I said,
Now I've got to go back to Ian. I brought him so much food from the restaurant for him to snack on tonight. Hi.
I loved your segment.
Oh my gosh, thank you. Thank you. Where are you
I already
from?
followed you on TikTok.
Oh my gosh,
We go
no
past
way.
Texas.
Texas. What's your name?
Zenaida.
Sanaida.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, nice to meet you. What are you guys doing tonight?
We're here all here at the David Nomad, but probably
Yeah,
in the
yeah,
area.
same.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm going there as well. This is my favorite thing to get, and brunch is my favorite meal of the day. I like to get a smoked salmon.